If you're an Antkeeper based in the United States, you probably already know how frustrating it can be to order from Europe. You find exactly what you need, the perfect nest, the right accessories, maybe even something you've been searching for a long time. But then reality kicks in. Shipping takes weeks. Import fees can be expensive and unpredictable, and sometimes your package just gets delayed or stuck at customs. For the past few years, we've been shipping worldwide through Esthetic Ants, and while a lot of orders arrived safely, we kept hearing the same thing from our US customers over and over again. Shipping is too slow, the costs are too high, and the whole process just isn't reliable enough. And honestly, we agree. But things got even more complicated last year when an orange man introduced major changes to the customs systems and tariffs.
That is a huge problem.
It created a ripple effect. Even though those tariffs didn't directly affect our niche, the system changed so quickly that customs simply weren't prepared. Postal organizations across Europe were suddenly told that shipping to the United States had become extremely difficult, and in some cases nearly impossible. Even today, shipping reliably to the US is still not what it used to be. There are workarounds, straight routing systems, and a lot more uncertainty. And that got us thinking, if shipping from Europe to the US is becoming a problem, then why are we still shipping from Europe at all? So we asked ourselves a simple question: how do we fix this properly? The answer was actually very simple. We stopped shipping from Europe and we start shipping from the United States. That decision led to months of work behind the scenes, and frankly the most difficult project I have ever set up. Setting up a website was the easy part, but finding a warehouse, that was a completely different story. Because we operate in a very specific niche, ant keeping, a lot of fulfillment companies simply said no. They didn't understand the products, or they didn't want to deal with something so specialized. It took us a long time, a lot of searching and a lot of conversations, but eventually we found the right partners, and they're really good. And today we can finally say it. Esthetic Ants USA is officially live. A brand new storefront built specifically for customers in the United States. So what does this actually mean for you? Well, first of all, the biggest change is simple. Your orders now ship from within the US. That means faster delivery, lower shipping costs, and no unexpected import fees. For you as the customer, most of the experience will feel very familiar. But there are a few important differences we want to be transparent about, because orders are now handled by a US warehouse. Once the order gets placed, it gets processed very quickly. Combined with the time difference, this means that cancelling or changing an order becomes much more difficult. So it's really important to double check your order before completing it. We've also had to slightly adjust how some products are offered. For example, smaller items like test tubes or certain accessories are now sold in packs instead of individually. And some products no longer include extras by default. A good example is the Mini Outworld, which no longer includes test tubes. These need to be bought separately. So while the products themselves are still the same quality you expect, the structure of the store is a little bit different, and that's important to understand. You shouldn't directly compare the US store to the European store. They are connected, but they are also two different systems. Looking ahead, this actually gives us a lot of opportunities. We'll be able to introduce products that are specifically tailored to the US market. Some of these may even be exclusive to the US store. At the same time, we want to be honest. This is new for us too. There will likely be small issues or things that need improvement along the way, and we ask for your patience while we figure out things together. If you run into anything or have questions, you can still reach us at info@aestheticants.com. Now, there is one question we've been getting more than any other. Ants. Will Esthetic Ants USA sell ants? And for now, the answer is no. At launch, we're not selling live ants. There are a few reasons for this. First of all, ants require constant care, which means they cannot be stored in a standard warehouse environment. So we would need a completely separate setup or a trusted partner to handle that. But then another problem appears. If you order a nest and ants at the same time, they would need to be shipped from two different locations. That means double shipping costs, which isn't ideal for you. On top of that, there are legal regulations and quality control challenges that we take very seriously. So for now, we're focusing on equipment only. That said, if there are experienced ants entrepreneurs or partners interested in working together on this, feel free to reach out. We're always open to exploring new opportunities. Another thing to keep in mind is stock. We will monitor inventory closely, but some products will inevitably sell out. When that happens, restock can take around 2 to 4 weeks. There's no need to email us asking us when something will be back. If it's on the website, it will be restocked. If we decide to discontinue a product, it will simply be removed. We're also very open to suggestions. If there's a product you'd like to see on the US store, let us know. If enough people are interested, we can always look into adding it. And finally, on a personal note, this is a huge milestone for us. Launching a second storefront in the United States is something we've been working towards for a very long time. It's also been a significant investment. And now it's up and running. But at the end of the day, this only works if you use it. So if you're based in the US, we'd really appreciate your support. Place an order, test the system, share your feedback, and if you like what we're building, tell your friends. Let's grow the US ant-keeping community together. Welcome to Aesthetic Ants USA.
Aesthetic Ants USA, tremendous business, really incredible. We're bringing it home. No more slow shipping, no more bad deals. Fast, strong, American. People love it. It's going to be huge, believe me.